In this video, I will be showing you the key differences between Perplexity and ChatGPT to help you choose the right tool for your specific needs. I'll start by searching for Perplexity, which serves as a powerful AI-powered answer engine designed for fast and accurate research. It acts as a professional research assistant, providing real-time, verified information with citations and offering deep research capabilities that can synthesize hundreds of sources into one comprehensive report. This tool is especially useful for academic and professional tasks, allowing me to upload files for analysis or use specialized modes to find scholarly papers and create data-driven content. Now, I'll shift the focus to ChatGPT to see how it handles more creative and organizational tasks. ChatGPT is a versatile assistant that I use to boost productivity by generating text, writing code, and brainstorming new ideas instantly. It's perfect for writing and editing tasks like drafting emails or for information processing where I need to summarize long articles into concise notes. Whether I'm debugging code or translating languages, ChatGPT provides a fast and conversational experience that helps me overcome writer's block and speed up my workflow. While Perplexity is my go-to for finding and verifying facts with high-quality sources, ChatGPT remains my preferred tool for creative execution, refining my work, and general everyday assistance. Understanding these distinctions allows me to use the right AI for the right job, ensuring my research is accurate and my creative projects are completed efficiently. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.